Hello, so today we are gonna see how to wear a normal South Indian style sari, and one of the specific thing I want to mention is you can wear it without any inskirt, which looks little awkward when you see outside. So this I'm gonna use is a normal long skirt which is in velvet with elastic. And when you're wearing anything with elastic, when you don't have any inskirt, in spite of that, how you can wear South Indian style sari. So let's start. So the first thing is you have to put a knot at the beginning of the edge. This is for the purpose so that it doesn't come out when you're walking or doing any work. Sometimes sari just pops out, so you need not worry. So you're just gonna place it inside here. And then we are just gonna take a turn. After taking this turn of the sari, gonna place it inside. As per your height, you can adjust it. For women who are tall, this is normal, and for some women who are little short in height, they have to insert it little more. So insert it quite neatly, and then just take a turn. After taking turn, this South Indian style sari you can wear it in two style. Either one is just like one pleat, having this pleat this way, and after adjusting the pallu, how much you're gonna have, you're gonna adjust the pleats in the front. And for adjusting proper pleats in the front, this part you can tuck in here, so it gives a proper finish near the waistline here. You can either tuck in just like that, or you can just pin it up. So since it is only a tutorial, so I'm not going to use the pin for this. And then by either of your hands you can make the pleats. And after making it, just make it quite neat and arrange it properly. After arranging it properly, for betterment, so that when you're walking it just doesn't comes out, before inserting it you can use a pin so that it always remains in a good shape. After pinning it up here at this part, you're just gonna adjust this inner part so that it gives a proper structure at the hip level, and after that you're just gonna insert it. And now this is the part which you can either just put in the olden traditional style. It also looks little trendy, like this, and this is how your back will look with this. And another way of using it is just setting the pleats for it. We are starting from the beginning.
The light cover away face watching.
Yeah. The sari is of silk, it takes little time, but as I have divided in few sections, you can divide it in few sections and use it beautifully. Yes, now it's almost like done. And pinning it up, it should bring little backward here so that it doesn't fall out. I'm gonna pin it up here. And after pinning it up here, you're gonna adjust this front part so that it looks neat. And this is the part where you can easily adjust it. Just tuck it in here. You can just tuck in, or you can just either pin it up here inside, and that's it. It become a very, and ladies can wear this sari this way, even cotton sarees also, for the formal wear, for going to office or some formal occasions. And yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And